Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is today's look. So before we get into today's video, I want to introduce you guys to a company called PINCHMe, and what that is does that make sense? But it is a brand that sends you out name brand products for free. Everything is sample size though, but it sends you items for free, and all you have to do is leave a review. So one of the associates from PINCHMe actually reached out to me last month, but I'm just getting to the box. But they sent me like skincare products, some beauty products. I don't know if it's like the same thing, but they sent me like some snacks and some hair care products and some of everything. One item that really stood out to me was the Biore, I think I'm saying that right, but the Biore charcoal cleansing water, and that's what I've been using on my skin. As you can see, it's like almost halfway gone, but this really stood out to me because it removes makeup, it deep cleans pores, and refreshing. So yeah, I'm using this, and y'all will see later in the video, like my skin looks so much better. You have to sign up for it. If you do decide to sign up, make sure you complete your profile so they can get to know you, and they'll know like what type of items they should send you, and you get a new box every month. Examples of things they'll send you is like cleaning items, like health, beauty, stuff for your pets, like snacks, stuff for your children. You know, like they have like a variety of things you could try. So yeah, if you decide to sign up, make sure you complete your profile so they can get to know you, and they'll know what type of stuff to send you. They did send me a premium box, and my box had between like 7 to 10 items in it. If you guys sign up for it, you will receive a smaller box which will have between 3 to 6 items in it. The only thing they ask of you is to leave a review, and it's 100% free to sign up for. You don't have to pay anything, like 100% free. But I will have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for it. And yeah, it gives you a box of some free items and leave some reviews. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan as my base. I really need to try the P. Louise base. I haven't tried it yet. I want to try actual eyeshadow base instead of just a concealer. So I'm gonna grab an M433 and dip into the 39A palette and pick up this really dark brown and put that in my crease. So I don't really like these white bristle brushes because I feel like they don't pick up enough product. Like y'all saw that look gray at first, and it still look gray. Instead of just using that one color, I'm gonna also add a little bit of this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a brush from Beige Cosmetics and pick up the matte black. So using the M506 brush, I'm gonna pick up this color first and then this one and blend out the edges. I'm gonna add some more black. It's weird because in person it looks really bold, but then on camera it just looks gray. So basically I just ran through all those colors again to try to get it more pigmented. Okay, I'm going to use an M213 to cut my crease, which is a small concealer brush. I'm going to be using my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. I'm going to go back into the matte black and blend out the corner. Alright, so now we're going to dip into the James Charles palette, and the first color I'm going to use is this orange. So So next I'm going to dip into the shade Skip. So I don't know why I can't cut my crease right anymore. Like, I keep having to go back and clean it up with my angle brush, even though I do that anyway, but usually I have a choice, but now it's like I have to go clean it up. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the shade Single, which is this purple. Okay, so I'm just going to use the black out of the James Charles palette since it's the one I have open. So I'm going to pick up an angled brush and trace out my crease. So I'm going to add some more black over here in the corner. So moving on to my face, first I'm going to moisturize with my Pond's Dry Skin Cream, and then I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Photo 11 Primer, and then I'll be back just to save some time. So I want to come back and show you guys this part because it's very, very important in my foundation routine. But I'm going to take my Airspun powder. This is in translucent, and I've already moisturized and primed my face, but because my smile lines crease so bad, I'm going to take some of this powder and just set my primer around my lips. Okay, now I look a little crazy, but for foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 330. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm going to mix Cool Tan and Pure Beige. So for my contour, I'm actually going to use a bronzer by Black Radiance that I dropped and I'm so upset, but it's in the shade Warm Hazelnut. Yeah, so I cracked the bronzer and then I knocked it on the floor, so now it's all over the floor too. Okay, so I feel like I got my face bronzed up enough. I feel like in my last video it was a little bit too much, but as I add more. So I'm gonna dip into my Sacha Buttercup powder and just kind of highlight underneath my contour. Okay, so while that's sitting, I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and just line my waterline halfway. I don't know if I can do this on camera, so every time I do it, I end up looking crazy. So I'm gonna grab some matte black eyeshadow on an M432 and smush that out. Sorry, I have my palette over here. So I know I can hear the heat in the background, I'm so sorry, but for my highlight, I'm using this like white shimmery color from the Princesa Azteca Palette, and it's usually what I go to for highlights anyway. So for my lips, I use the Mauve Lip Liner by NYX, and then I just put on some lip gloss, and then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Alright, y'all, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. I did. I love this because it's like a mixture of like dark and then light, like bright colors, if that makes sense. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Oh yeah, and y'all don't forget to check out PINCHMe. Like I said, it's 100% free. Just make sure you leave reviews and you'll be good. So yeah, make sure you check the description box.